If you sell cars for a living, you need to listen to this. Now, what do you do when you have a vehicle that's a slow seller? Do you do nothing, cross your fingers and hope that a potential buyer comes along sooner rather than later? Or do you just take thousands off the asking price? Or do you just send it back to auction and accept a loss pretty much? Slow sellers are a real drag, but it doesn't have to be that way. Now, Albert Einstein was credited with saying the definition of insanity is doing the same things over and over again, but expecting different results. Now, he was quite a smart guy. So take his advice and do something different. We are bespoke vehicle lead generators, and we specialise in helping you shift those hard to sell cars by bringing hot leads to you. So stop wasting money and start getting it back with higher margins and quicker sales. Drop us a message to find out how we do it and also to read about some of our success stories. And I look forward to speaking to you soon.